To clean an old fish tank, first remove all the decorations and other removable items from the tank. Empty all the old water out into a bucket or sink. Next, use a paper towel dampened with warm water to wipe down the walls and bottom of the tank. Mix up a solution of equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle and spray down the interior and exterior of the tank with it. Let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing the tank with fresh, clean water. Let the fresh water sit in the tank for another 10 to 15 minutes before draining it into a bucket or sink. Allow the tank to air dry for at least 24 hours. Then use a fish tank safe algae scrubbing pad or razor blade to scrape away any stubborn residue or hard water deposits. Wipe away the loose gunk with a damp paper towel. Depending on how much residue you loosened, you may need to rinse the tank again. Clean any removable decorations or equipment with your vinegar cleaning solution and a scrubbing pad. Then rinse them carefully before putting them back in the tank.